spark awakens in the dark, where the hidden embers glow. From ash and stone, from time untold, a whisper rises warm and bright, calling hearts that fear the cold to the dancing firelight. Oh, spirit of the fire, stay, guard the flame till break of day. In your glow our shadows fade, in your warmth our vows are made. Spirit of the fire near, hold us through the longest year. When the world is dark and white, be the light we keep inside. You speak in sparks and drifting smoke, in the crackle of old wood. Every vow the silence broke, you remember as you should. Through winter storms and fallen leaves, through joy and loss, through truth and pain, the fire knows what the heart believes and calls us home again. Spirit of the fire, rise, paint the dark with ember skies. From the ember, from the spark, guide us through the waiting.